Lonnie with Quilting and Traveling, and today we're going to show you how we make tea and coffee without electricity. Thanks, Juanita, for giving me this coffee pot. Well, I'm the tea drinker, and this is what I like to boil my water in. So you lift the lid, you pour the water in, you put the lid back on, you set it on the propane stove, and you let it start to boil until it starts to whistle. And you've got hot water for tea or single cup coffee. Now Ernie's the coffee maker, so I'm going to let him tell you about how to use this percolator coffee maker.
Okay, making coffee. First thing you need to have is a good supply of these types of filters. The Melitas, I get these on Amazon. Now, this type of coffee pot is the old percolator style. It's got the tube where the boiling water comes up and a basket where your coffee grounds go. So in order to set it up, you take it out of the pot, you take one of the Melita filters, open it up, you'll see there's a little hole in each corner and in the center. Now, what I do is I fold it up a few times because I'm going to have to fold it and refold it till it holds the coffee in a little pouch. So after I folded it a few times, I open it up flat again, take that center hole and put it over that centerpiece in the pot and carefully make a pouch, crunch everything down. Next thing you get is your coffee. You want a fairly rough grind on it so it doesn't seep through. And I'm using about 1/4 of a cup. Now, a little trick, this hole, as you pour in, if you don't put your finger over it, coffee's going to go through and end up on the table. Give a little shake to make it go level. Now, starting in any corner, you fold up one of the corners with a hole in it, place it over the top, squish it down, and then go again, and continue all the way around until you've made a pouch to hold your coffee in. This is coffee filter paper, just like if you bought a filter for your coffee pot at home so that the water can run through it. And then the final seal, get it over that little hole, and scrunch it down, press it in. Don't forget your basket top, because when the water boils it shoots up through the middle and then disperses all around. Now to fill it with water, there's about a certain level. We fill it right to the base of the spout so that there's enough water in here to force it up the tube, and we each get about 2 cups of coffee out of it. Coffee pot's about half full, right up to the base of the spigot. Put your unit in, your lid on. We cook our coffee about 15 minutes after it starts, and then that way we get a good solid cup of coffee to start the day. You're ready to go in the morning.
Oh, so now you know how we boil water for tea and or single cup coffee, and how we make at least 4 cups of coffee. I hate wasting coffee and throwing it away. In our travel trailer on the propane stove. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget the little bell. And stay crafty when making your morning coffee or tea. Thanks for watching.